Castillo, the jumper. Dolores no good. Mamiit again. Put back basket. Salupado on three. That is way off. It's an 83-74. Timeout for the Green Lancers. Dolores. In and out. Castillo, nice pass inside. Regis. Pass. Aranza on three. Another miss for the Green Lancers. Flores will attack. Flores, Castillo. Flores loses the ball. Pass break. Foul by Dolores. Breaking that fast break. Bughia. The good Laksam. Basket. Mamiit again. Inside the paint. Another basket para kay Mamiit. Maghirang. Shot lang winding down. 3 seconds. Maghirang gets rejected. Pampolinas to fire. So Flores on the fast break. Fly-by basket. (85-80). 5-point lead. The 3 seconds violation called. Golden Lions getting back on the game. They are now down by only 5. Castillo makes it and drills it on the baseline. 85-82. Laksam. It's out of bounds. The ball stays on the Green Lancers with 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Flores the steal. Mamiit pushing the ball. Here comes the Golden Lions. Flores to Castillo. Misses. Regis gets it. Mamiit again. And it's an offensive foul for Mamiit. Salapado back on the floor. Laksam recovers. Misses on the shot. Apikan ng bola. Out of bounds. It is Golden Lions ball. Flores. Regis on the follow-up, no good. Here comes Pampolina. Pampolina's open. And hitting. Nobody guarding Pampolina. And he makes them pay. Mamiit again, taking it inside, turnaround jumper. Dolores on the putback, basket, plus the foul. The foul by Salupado. Dolores on the bonus free throw. And completes a three-point play. Laksam will attack. Laksam smoked that layup. It's an 88-85 three-point lead na lamang ang hawak dito ng Green Lancers as Castillo gets that follow-up and makes it a 1 point. (88-87), Pampolina. Again. He gets fouled by Bondad.
Foul, jersey number 6. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Free throws coming para kay Pampolina. Misses on the first. Pampolina drills the second. Flores. Castillo baseline basket and ties the game at 89. Torres gives it to Aranza. Aranza, fall away jumper. Torres on the putback. Ball for the rebound. And we have a whistle on the floor. And it's a loose ball foul on Dolores. That is third personal foul and the fourth team foul also para sa Golden Lions. Bansado gives to Laksam. The long two-pointer is good. Dolores. Tatapik ni Torres.
Foul, jersey
Castillo fouled Avanzado on the fast break.
second personal foul, penalty.
Golden Lions in penalty situation. With under 7 minutes remaining. Avanzado, the first one is good. Sa battle for the rebound, makukuha pa rin ni Pampolina. Gives it to Torres. Torres, no good. Pampolina again. Pupunta kay Avanzado. Lalabas dito kay Laksam. Shot clock 5 seconds. And it's an offensive foul. It's an illegal screen para kay Torres.
Second personal foul, second team.
Rejected by Torres. Napatak dito kay Laksam. To Avanzado. Avanzado, top shot, basket. (94-89). Flores. Running shot, no good. Gives it to Avanzado. Laksam. 5 seconds to shoot. Laksam attacks. Laksam, no good. Flores on the fast break. Basket. Laksam pa rin di diskarte. Laksam against Regis, no good. Flores again on the fast break. Libre. Flores again, another score. Makes it a 1-point game, 94-93. Bugia. Alabas kay Avanzado. And it's a 3 seconds violation. Will be called on to Torres. It's a nice pass, Dolores to Regis. But misses by Regis. Maghirang to Laksam, baseline. Maghirang iiwan kay Pampolina. Manalo against the rebound. Golden Lions on the fast break. Flores, basket, plus the foul. Flores making the end one basket. 95-94. Both. Aranza working side. Shot clock winding down. Castillo. Flores. Pampolina with the steal. Here comes the Green Lancers. Maghirang nagmamadali. Maghirang spins. Laksam mid-range. Still good. And the ball goes out of bounds. Under 3 minutes remaining. Timeout para sa Golden Lions. 95-94 at magbabalik po tayo after this break. Babalik po tayo mga ka-Velvet. Under 3 minutes to play in the fourth. Mamiit inside. And makes it a 3-point lead. 97-94 para sa Golden Lions. Pampolina didiskarte. Labas ulit dito kay Maghirang. Laksam, elbow jumper, short. Maghirang again. Nice find to Laksam. And it's a foul. Oh, don't Mamiit. Laksam back on the free throw line. The first one is good para kay Laksam. And Laksam makes the 2 free throws. We are on the way para sa ating final 2 minutes of the ball game. Maghirang attacks and basket para kay Maghirang. Green Lancers takes the lead 98-97. Titular fires, rejected by Laksam. Pass break. Maghirang on the layup, basket's good. (197) 3-point lead. Titular to Castillo. Castillo attacks. He gets fouled. Castillo misses in the first. Makes that second 198. 2-point lead para sa Lancers. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Maghirang tries to give it to Aranza against Dolores. Aranza attacks. Dolores the rebound. Here comes the Golden Lions. Pass break. Flores with the miss. Regis gets a steal. Castillo. And we have a foul. It's a foul on Pampolina. Now Castillo back on the line. Crucial free throws para kay Castillo. Drills the first one. $100-99. Castillo ties the game at 100. 40 seconds. Maghirang ang didiskarte. Gives it to Pampolina. Masyado masikip. Shot clock winding down. 2 seconds. Maghirang has to fire. $19 seconds remaining. It's a timeout para sa Golden Lions. $14. 19 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Basket. What a shot. Taking the lead 102-100 with 10 seconds remaining. Timeout para sa Green Lancers. Now with 10 seconds remaining para sa Green Lancers. For the tie or for the lead. Still bola pa rin ng Green Lancers with 6 seconds remaining. Maghirang pa rin para sa inbound. Pampolina makakalusot but gets rejected by Mamit. And that's the end of the ball game. Golden Lions survives and getting that victory against the Green Lancers. And makita-kita pa ulit tayo next week. Dito lang, San Pablo City Basketball. para sa ating Eyaba Basketball League for the above edition.